Alright guys, in the last tutorial we talked about alert boxes and developer options. Let's continue from where we actually stopped. So the problem here is if I want to display alerts more than one, for example I want to say hi and then I want to type a name. So to go into next line in most of the text editor we press enter, but here when I press enter it actually runs my code. So what should I do? Now to go to the next line in this console you will have to press shift, like hi. I will press shift and then press enter, which will take me to the next line, and then I will display and write another alerts line where I will say hi Moise, which is actually my name, and I will just press enter. Now as you can see this is the first alert box that popped up, and as I press OK and there is another alert box that I popped up. Now let's talk about logs. So to print on the console, which means here there is another command called console, and we are gonna use a function called log where we will write something, for example hello world. I'm gonna press enter. Oh sorry, the problem is that the console C should be smaller or small case, right? As you can see here is our string. It work as print statement in Python or Kotlin. Here we call it console.log to display anything in the console.